Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What do we have today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Here, I want to share with you guys my insight on gold and gbpusd being the the pairs that I trade every single time. So, what I have on gold today and my insight, what I'm seeing on gold. So I'm going to show you to you guys, share to you guys, so you check your own analysis, know if we are on the same level or you have to adjust, or maybe I'm the one who have to adjust. Nobody is perfect, we are working on being perfect. So, you know without wasting further time, I'm moving forward to my analysis from daily time frame to the 15 minutes time frame, which is the entry time frame. This is my insight on gbpusd. I don't have much time, so it's already analyzed, and I'm going to explain it bit by bit. So gbpus on gold, usd, sausd, we have been noticing a bearish move from this throughout the last month. All right, recently there have been, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Currently, um, we have a break of structure here. I hope you guys are seeing my script. We have a break of structure here, and this is another block. This is another block, and as you can see, price reacted off the other block and start moving down. It continued the trend, the bearish trend. So over to the forward time frame, at least we have found out that the market have mitigated the recent the other block and is moving down. Now we have to know how we are going to get into this bearish move, knowing fully well that gold is not yet ready for bullish move. We are going to ride with the current movement. The worst thing that will happen to the trader is trading against the trend. Right now, gold is bearish, and we have to look for a bearish for an opportunity to get into this move. So now, this is the other block. This is the other block. I'm not going to waste time because I have other things to handle today. This is the other block, and we have the break of structure here. We have the break of structure here. Moving to 2-hour time frame. Okay, this is where it is more clear. We have a break of structure, change of character here. This is a change of character. Sorry. So change of character, break of structure, these are BOS as the break of structure and the change of character. So after the break of the change of character, we now notice that okay, market, there is a shift in market movement. Then that's the internal movement too. Then market come up to this zone. We are going to still go back to the lower time frame to find out where exactly did this correctional move hit. So there's another break of structure here, going up down to the lower time frame to 1 hour time frame. We found out that let's head to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, this is an FVG. As you can see, there's an FVG here, and that is where market reacted off and start pushing to the downside again. Now there's another break of structure here, and this is another block. This is an FVG. So for now, we want to see price push clear of this zone before we can say that market is still bearish. But if market did not clear off this zone and then break above this zone, then we know that market has continued bullish movement. Then all we have to do, if market eventually clear off this zone, because whatever you do in market is a kind of prediction. You think about the left part of it and the right part of it, and then check the one that work. You cannot put one egg in one basket. All right, so we want to see market clear of this zone. We want to see price clear of this zone, and then we continue. But if price happen to clear this zone, if it happen to clear off this one, we are going to wait for it here and continue to the upside. That's what I'm seeing on good currently. This is what I'm seeing on good. So we are working with confirmation. For me, market is already clearing of this zone. If market clear of this zone, you are going to wait for price to come up to this zone. Okay, market is clearing off this zone, so market price will have to come up to this zone and then we push to the downside. All right, so this is it for xauusd. I don't want to waste much time. xauusd, then we push to the downside. If market come up to that zone, then we have to push to the downside, and then our place are here, and we are targeting this zone. As a matter of fact, where we should target is this zone. Yeah, this zone, because price is still good, is still bearish. All right, this is it for xauusd. And for gbpusd, this is what I'm seeing on gbpusd. So price currently reacted off this. Okay, we have a break of structure, right? Because GU is still lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, and lower high, right? And price have reacted to this order block. If you can see clearly, you see there's an order block here. Sorry. Let me take this out. There's another block here, and price is currently reacted off this order block. Remember, there's a change of character somewhere here. A break of structure somewhere here. Break of structure here, and then price responded by coming to this zone, which is the order block zone. Now we have to refine this order block to find the main order block we're looking for. Now looking at it, look at the main order block on lower time frame. This is the main order block, and price have reacted to it. This is the main order block. Alright, are you seeing the other block now? So, and then what happened after price reacted off this other block? This is a change of character. So logically, this is supposed to be a demand zone where price have to come and tap in and start going up again. But as you can see, that price push below it, and we are still hoping for price to push more down to this side, right? So but we are not too sure for now on gbpusd. For me, I'm on this trade. I'm currently on this trade, so I enter this trade from here. So, and I'm hoping for the trade to go all the way to this side, to this downside, because this is me. I'm a swing trader, so I don't like jumping into the market all the time. So I took this trade from here, and somewhere here is my stop loss, right? And I'm targeting all the way to this side. And this trade may take like this whole week for it to play out. It can go against me, I don't know yet, because from 4-hour time frame you can see that the price is this market, this whole thing is bullish. Price is still bullish. This is uptrend, lower low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, and there's a breakup structure and there's a change of character here. And but I'm still thinking that it's a correctional move to mitigate this other block, this unmitigated other block here. So that's why I'm thinking that gbpusd is still going to be bearish for now. Okay, gbpusd is still hoping for a bearish move, Forget this thing that is doing. Before we can consider this to be bullish now from this thing that GU is doing, is for us to see a clear, if a market clear up this zone, then we see something like this. We have to see something like this, market clearing up here and then come back to this zone. I want to see something like this and then boom, yeah, and then where we target, wherever we want to target. Let me explain. This place being our breakup structure, and then this one being our change of character, and then we have either AVG or other block somewhere here. Then this is now where we target bullish from here to either here or here, depending on the kind of trader you are. Alright, then your stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, but for bearish move, I'm still saying that GU is going to be bearish. We're going to see something like this. We're going to see something like price pushing more down to this place, push below here. We want to see price push below here and then come up to this either AVG or other block, and then oh my god, and then we push back down to this point, or down to the overall or down to this place. This is what I'm seeing on gbpusd. So is it what your charts, is it what it look like, is it what you analyzed, or is your own a bit different? I don't know. At the end of the day, we are going to know who is right and then who is wrong. You might be the right person, I might be the right person. Anybody can be the right person. But the most important thing is sticking to your analysis, your strategy, the way you take your trade, the way you believe your trade goes, the way you believe you win, stick to it, and then apply your proper risk management. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video helps a lot. Well, good luck. Let's see how it goes.